India is a land that has witnessed some rare and impossible events. A soil with a rich ancient heritage. This land has so many secrets hidden in it. Kerala is also witness to many such mysteries and wonders. Kerala is famous as God's land. There is such a unique temple in Kerala. Ananthapura Kshetra, located in Kumbal in Kasaragod district on the border of Karnataka and Kerala, is a god presence with huge number of devotees. Anant Padmanabha temple in Anantapur is built in the midst of a vast lake. Hence, it is also known as Sarovar Kshetra. It is also believed to be the original seat of Anant Padmanabha Swami in Thiruvananthapuram. This extraordinary crocodile is in such presence. Crocodile has the ability to drag and eat drowned humans. As everyone knows, crocodile is a carnivore. Such a crocodile has forgotten its nature in Anant Padmanabha area. Also, it is a complete vegetarian. Babya is the name of this crocodile in the temple lake of Anantapur. It seems that this Babya has never troubled the devotees. For this reason everyone here has devotion to Babya and no fear. For so many years, there is not a day that a crocodile is not seen in this lake. Devotees believe that Sambhut crocodile is the deity that guards the Babya temple. Every afternoon after Mahapuja, priests come to the lake and offer offerings to Babya. An offering made of rice and jaggery is offered to this crocodile. After eating this, the crocodile naturally disappears into the water. Another belief here is that once a crocodile dies, it will not be known. Plus, another crocodile seems to be in the lake. As a proof of this, there is not a single day when a crocodile is not seen in the lake. This has also surprised the devotees here, and this crocodile is also worshipped here in the form of God. There is a wonderful background to the crocodile living in the lake. This is a story about Lord Krishna. Sri Vivamangalatu Swami was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. As if he was meditating on Vishnu and doing penance. At this time, Lord Krishna came in the form of a boy to test him and disturbed his penance. So enraged, Lord Sri Vivamangalatu Swami pushed Krishna into the nearby lake. However, there is a story that before Swamiji realized that what he had done was wrong, the boy Lord Krishna disappeared into a cave in the lake. The crack caused when Lord Krishna disappeared seems to be somewhere inside the temple. Babya is guarding this entrance. There is another story about the same Babya. That is, about 70 years ago, a British soldier shot and killed the same crocodile guarding the Anantapur Lake temple. But, surprisingly, another crocodile appeared in the lake the next day. Also, the British soldier who shot the crocodile died after being bitten by a snake. It is a strong belief of the devotees here that this soldier died due to the wrath of Anant Padmanabha Swami, the deity of snakes. Thus Babya is also attracting devotees in this presence. But, how come this crocodile is a vegetarian? Why is it always alone? How is this crocodile so peaceful without attacking anyone? This is the question and curiosity of everyone. Babya was not keeping well for the past few days and was attended to by veterinary surgeons from Mangaluru's Pilikula Biological Park, said Udaykumar R. Gatti, trustee of the temple. In the past 2 days, Babya did not come up for food. We launched a search but could not find it. Sunday night, we saw it dead in the lake,